Okay, this is homework for Thursday, 11/13, and the good news is it is the last homework of the week, and the even better news is it was only the second homework of the week. You guys lucked out with Veterans Day, but if there was ever a class that deserved it, it is you guys. My first period rocks. Alrighty, so write down the ordered pairs, -2, -4, and 2, 6. Remember, you're finding M and B, so shut off the video and do the problem on your own. Okay, here we go. -4 to 6 is 10 for change in y. And from -2 to +2 is 4 for change in x. Change in y over change in x. And if I divide, that's going to be 2 1/2. M is 2 1/2. Y equals mx plus b. Y equals mx plus b. Substitute 3 times. Ka-ching, ka-ching, ka-ching. Here's a y. Here's an m. Here's an x. Let's put them in there. 6 equals m, 2 1/2, times x, 2, plus b. Here we go. We got to multiply. 2 times 2 1/2. 2 groups of 2 1/2. 5. Okay, subtract 5 here to get the b by itself and subtract 5 there. b equals 1. I am now ready to write my equation. Y equals m, 2 1/2. X, don't forget that x, plus 1b. And we are done. Let's go on to the next problem, number 2. Okay, write down 3, 8, and 0, 11. 3, 8, and 0, 11. Now, I just noticed something, but you go ahead and turn off the video and see what you can do on your own. Okay, from 8 to 11 is 3. From 3 to 0 is -3. Change in y over change in x. Whoops. Okay, that is an error right there. Right there, that's not correct. This was not -3, it was +3. 8 to 11 is going up 3. Let's fix that. So that was 3. And this, the change in x is -3. If you do 3 divided by -3, you get -1. Now this is one of those hallelujah problems because, look, where x is 0, y is 11, that is your y-intercept. So 11 is your y-intercept. You can write the problem. Y equals -1x plus 11. This is not in simplest form. What's wrong with it? Well, what's wrong with it is -1 times x is -x, so y equals -x plus 11. Done. Number 3. Write down the ordered pairs, 3, 5, and 6, 1. 3, 5, 6, 1. Remember, you're going to find m, and you're going to find b. Turn the video off and do it yourself. The change in y from 5 to -1 is -4. The change in x from 3 to 6 is 3. Change in y over change in x. This means divide. -4 divided by 3 is -1 1/3. Y equals mx plus b. 1, 2, 3. Those are the 3 things that I have to substitute. Y, m, and x. 1 equals m. Oops. Times x, which is 6, plus b. Okay, so, by the way, this is not a negative sign. That's just Mrs. Steffen's sloppy stray mark, which she will now get rid of because it looks bad. There we go. So I'm doing -1 1/3 times 6. Hopefully you've already done that. -1 1/3 times 6 is -8. How do you get the b by itself? Well, you add 8 to both sides. So that's the opposite of subtracting 8. b equals 9, and I am now ready to write the equation. Y equals m, -1 1/3. x plus 9. Done. Okay, number 4. So copy the problem down. We have negative 2, 0, and 3, 5. Remember M and B. Turn the video off and do it on your own. Change in Y from 0 to 5, 5. Change in X from negative 2 to positive 3 is also 5. Change in Y over change in X. This means to divide. 5 divided by 5 is 1. Okay, Y equals mx plus b. Alright, I'm going to substitute 1, 2, 3 times. So I need a Y, I need my M, and I need the X. So Y was 5. Oops, let's write that with the pen. Equals M, which was 1, times X, which is 3 plus B. You can simplify this by multiplying. 5 equals 3 plus B. To get the B by itself, you're going to subtract 3 on both sides. And that's going to give you 2 equals B. I'm ready to write my equation now. And that's going to be Y equals M, which was 1, X plus B, which was 2. We know that we don't leave it like this because 1 times X is X. So Y equals X plus 2. It's a simpler way. Okay, done.